Hi, welcome to the garden. Today's Tomato Tuesday. What do we do on Tomato Tuesday? We pick. Come on, let's pick some tomatoes. Now that's a nice tomato. We're well into August, and we got green tomatoes coming up, but they turn red every day. It's amazing how fast these turn red. And that's a nice little cluster. But even with the rain that we've had, some of these are splitting a little bit. And while you're going through this, don't be afraid to prune. It rained again last night, and it's going to rain again tonight. We got these little fronts coming through. I mean, I'm glad we got the rain. Well, we've got loads of tomatoes up as tall as I am. Sort of an oddly shaped tomato, but it's still really nice. I mean, these are wonderful. Some of them got beat up a little bit, some of them have been bug bitten, but we're still getting some really nice tomatoes. I'm going to take this one that's starting to blush. Oh, and that's not a tomato. That's a lemon drop cucumber. That's bigger than any of them that we've taken so far. I'm surprised we missed that. Wow, that's what makes this fun. Now these are the first ones that we planted. And a lot of these are Cherokee purples, which are amazing that we're still getting them off this late. Usually you get one or two and then they're kind of finicky and they kind of die back pretty easy. Now right here is a beautiful example of sunburn. That skin is still tight enough. There's no holes in this. It's not bug bitten. That's a beautiful tomato, but it bleached the color off of it. We've had a couple really hot weeks, and now we got the rain on top of it. So some of these leaves are starting to brown out a little bit. Take the time while you're going through. Just clip those brown ones. Just let them fall. That's all you got to do. Cleans that plant up really nice. And you can do this too. And if you think as the season progresses they're going to get smaller, that's a 2-pounder easy. As long as your tomatoes are happy, they're going to keep right on and producing. And the best way to keep them happy is take those brown leaves off down low. I'm glad you came with me today, because this is what I do every day. I don't suggest you plant 113 plants in your hobby garden. Battery's flashing, said we've been out here too long. We've got a few more tomatoes to pick, but it's going to go dark on me here just in a second. Remember, you can do this too, and if you want to learn about planting tomatoes, click that link right there and I'll meet you back in the garden. If you'd like to learn about the deep mulch, click that link and I'll meet you back in the garden. And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant. Let's go plant garden.